Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my experiment on my hydroponic cabbage. As you can see, this guys is really thriving. So leaves are really healthy and the buds are really good. This is another one, and I have the other one here. As you can see, the leaves are really good. So look at the size of the leaves. I also have another layer. So these are all grown using hydroponic method. Now right here, this is the just water and nutrient solution. Now this experiment is never been exposed to natural sunlight. So the system is only using, believe it or not, these are just ordinary shop light. You can buy online. This is a smaller one. This is a bigger one. When you buy a grow light for indoor vegetables, those are really pricey, and I can't afford for those things. So you can see you have another one, a small one, and a big one. So according to the research I did online, the distance has a big impact on the amount of nutrient they get from the shop light that I have to mimic the natural sun. And these are all grown, believe it or not, from a styro box I found on the garbage. See, I think these are styro box used to transport fish. So I clean it up, remove all the smells and some stains, and then install a plastic lining inside to prevent the water from seeping into the styro and drips onto the floor. Now, my area, I live in an apartment in a third floor building, so any leaking from the system would be a big disaster on the building floor. See, they look really pretty. Okay. I forgot the number of weeks this has been with me, and the whole system is being fed with this line through a random bucket from the garbage bin. I cleaned it up, and see, this is the reservoir. There's a hydroponic solution in it. There's this is an air pump, a 12-volt air pump that you can buy online. Now this one kicks on when the water pump kicks on. It sucks solution from the bucket, goes up, and then drops to the top part of my system. And then when the water reaches this level, it goes back down and then redistribute it to the bottom layer. And the same goes if the water goes down here, it goes back to the bucket while pumping oxygen rich solution to the plant. Now let me show you a sample of this. Try to manually turn on the timer for the pump so you could see. Now the pump is running, and the See, the air pump is also pumping air. Now it's sucking solution, goes up. Actually, this is a what do you call this one, a white tubing, something like this. Now I had a problem with too much algae growing inside because it's transparent and the light is affecting the transparent tube and it promotes growing algae. So my simple solution is to cover it with black electrical tape, surrounds it. So this is not really a black tube, it's just covered with electrical tape. A simple and easy solution. As you can see here, I still have the leftover from the rest of the pipe, which is not covered with electrical tape. And here you can see the return line from the system. It's a very simple solution that anyone can do. Now here you can see the, I hope you guys could see it, but wait, let me focus this one. See, that's the water pumping in, and you also could see the plastic lining inside. It's the best way to install a plastic lining inside when you use a styro box like this. For me, my experience with styro box, putting water in it, it's only okay for temporary use, but for long storage you need to install a plastic lining. See? Now the whole system is powered by a 12-volt system. The power pump that I have, that's a 12-volt power water pump, and this is being installed in a metal part. So that's the first layer, that's the second layer. I also have an experiment for a pepper plant and a tomato. And this is the, shall we say, the brain for my system. It's a simple electronic system. So I have a temperature sensor with a power supply that connects to the fan, which blows air when it turns on to the system to cool the surrounding temperature. And I have two timers. One timer for the PAM, which I can turn manually, and another timer is for the shop light. So this one turns off on a specific time that I program. And I also have another fan that cools the power supply. These fans are being pulled out from an old computer, believe it or not. See? And there's another one that's blowing cold air to the power supply. That's a simple system. So I will leave an update for this after a week or a few days from now and let you know, guys, the progress. So yeah, I'm really happy for this experiment. Growing your own food is, for me, is a good experience. Imagine you could grow your own food. Yeah, pretty beautiful, really pretty. So next video I'm gonna be explaining how to fill up the, what do you call this one, the water tank or the fertilizer hydroponic tank that I have, the mixing method, the type of machine I use to measure the EC and the pH, which is really important for the hydroponic plants then. So I'll give you an update for this one later. So thank you guys, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.